You watch a massive market sell-off happen right in front of you, but indicators don't tell you to enter until the move is basically over. This happens because most traders rely entirely on external market structure. They wait for major established support levels to break before they even consider changing their bias. Institutional traders use a different approach. They look for an internal structure shift, which is a specific five-wave pattern that forms strictly inside the existing trend. By tracking these internal shifts, you can read the early footprints of a reversal and position yourself for the drop long before the traditional support levels ever break. Step 1 is to open your 1-hour chart and locate a clear bullish trend with obvious higher highs and higher lows. We need to define the last bullish impulse. Find the last confirmed low in that upward trend and mark it as level 2. Then mark the absolute highest peak of the current trend as level 3. This chart shows the isolated waves between level 2 and level 3, our entire working area. The traditional change of character rule states price must drop completely below level 2 before confirming a sell signal. Look at the sheer vertical distance between the peak and that confirmation break. Waiting for the price to travel that far down means you are giving up hundreds of pips of profit. The solution is to find a complete reversal pattern entirely inside the boundaries of that last bullish impulse we just marked. There is a strict rule here. You do not drop down to a 5-minute or 1-minute chart to look for this pattern. Because we mapped the external structure on a 1-hour chart, the internal structure shift must also be verified using only 1-hour candles. Keep your chart on the 1-hour view and focus all your attention on the exact price action that prints immediately after the level 3 peak. Staying on the exact same time frame filters out lower time frame market noise. It ensures you are reading true institutional volume instead of tiny false fluctuations. We confirm the internal waves using the 2-candle retracement rule. This rule dictates that we need at least 2 consecutive candles moving against the immediate push to count as a valid structural wave. This diagram shows the internal patterns starting from our peak. Wave 1 is the downward impulse, Wave 2 the upward retracement. Wave 3 breaks Wave 1's low, followed by Wave 4. Wave 5 is the decisive downward impulse, completing the internal structure shift. This completed 5-wave sequence is the footprint of large institutions. It shows they have stopped buying and are actively building a position to sell. With Wave 5 confirmed, your bias immediately switches from bullish to bearish. You have actionable intelligence for a short position before the external trend breaks. To find your entry, locate the highest wicks for internal Wave 3 and internal Wave 4. The thin vertical lines extending above the main body of the candle, these are your prime targets. Draw a horizontal box rightward from the peak wick of Wave 3. Next, draw a second box from Wave 4, the A+ level. Wait for price to pull back here. When price taps the A+ box, execute your sell order as price drops. Drawing these exact zones removes the guesswork from your entries. It allows you to enter near the top and capture the heavy pip count that traditional traders miss entirely. Your chart now shows the clear external trend, the internal 5-wave shift, and the 2 specific entry boxes. This clean, structural setup gives you a direct route to the trade, bypassing the lag and confusion of standard reactive indicators. Open up your own 1-hour Forex charts. Find historical bullish trends and practice counting these 5-wave internal shifts for yourself. By mastering this specific structural mapping, you stop reacting late to what the market already did, and you start actively anticipating the next institutional move.